Welcome back to AB Car Review. Today, we're diving into a true American classic, the 1952 Hudson Commodore. A car that not only turned heads in the 50s but also revolutionized automotive design with its unique, step-down, body style. Let's take a full tour and see what made this vintage beauty so iconic. Starting with the exterior, the 1952 Hudson Commodore stands out with its low-slung, aerodynamic design. Unlike most cars of its time, the Hudson had a unitized body and frame construction that allowed passengers to step down into the car rather than climb up. That design lowered the center of gravity, improving handling while giving the car its signature sleek profile. The front grille is wide and bold, flanked by rounded headlights and accentuated by sweeping chrome bumpers. Long, flowing lines run down the sides, leading to a clean rear end that still looks elegant today. The fender skirts, white wall tires, and chrome detailing add to its luxurious yet sporty presence. It's not just a car, it's a piece of rolling art. Inside, the Hudson Commodore continues to impress. You're immediately greeted by plush bench seating wrapped in premium cloth and leather trim, depending on the model. The dash is a masterpiece of symmetry and craftsmanship, featuring a large speedometer in the center, elegant switches, and even a factory-installed clock. Visibility is excellent, thanks to the curved glass windshield and large side windows. The steering wheel is thin and oversized, typical of the era, giving drivers a commanding feel. Rear seat space is generous, and thanks to the step-down floor, headroom and legroom were better than most competitors of the time. It was clearly built with comfort in mind, whether you were cruising the boulevard or on a long cross-country trip. Under the hood, the 1952 Hudson Commodore came with two engine options, a 232 cubic inch inline-six or a more powerful 262 cubic inch six-cylinder engine in the higher trims. The top-end versions could even be fitted with the legendary twin H-power carburetor setup, pushing out up to 170 horsepower, impressive for the early 50s. While not a race car by today's standards, it offered excellent acceleration, smooth cruising at highway speeds, and remarkably tight handling, thanks to that low center of gravity and wide stance. The suspension soaked up bumps, and the brakes were reliable, making it a joy to drive for its time. As for pricing today, the value of a 1952 Hudson Commodore really depends on condition, originality, and trim. A well-maintained, running example might fetch anywhere between $15,000 to $30,000. However, pristine, fully restored models, especially those with the twin H-power option, can go for $40,000 or more at auctions or classic car dealerships. It's a collector's dream, especially for those who appreciate post-war American innovation. So, whether you're a fan of vintage style, engineering history, or just love unique cars, the 1952 Hudson Commodore deserves a spotlight in any collection. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car stories, right here on AB Car Review. Thanks for watching.